Looking for the best rolling pins? In this video we look at some of the top 3 rolling pins on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Ultra Cuisine, Professional French Rolling Pin for Baking. Pros: to prevent the dough from warming too quickly, you can chill this rolling pin in the freezer. Has the cooling properties of marble stone without the heaviness. Cleanup is easy by hand or dishwasher. Will not absorb any colors, odors, or flavors. 15.75 inches by 1.5 inches. Cons: can be a bit slippery compared to wooden rolling pins. Bottom line: if you prefer a stainless steel rolling pin, this one is a winner. Create beautifully rolled dough with this smooth surface that has a brushed matte finish. At number 2. Sunbeam, Wood Rolling Pin. Pros: excellent low price. Solid wood and simple quality. Easy to hold pin is 17 inches long. A classic choice. Cons: because it's made of wood, it must be cleaned carefully without full immersion in water. Bottom line: if you want a basic rolling pin without bells, whistles, or frills, this affordable pin from Sunbeam is a great addition to your kitchen. At number 1. Creative Home, White Marble Rolling Pin with Cradle. Pros: the solid marble is very heavy, which makes rolling out pastry and dough much easier. Cradle conveniently prevents it from rolling away when not in use. Smooth and stylish. Cons: some find it too heavy to use comfortably. Bottom line: a gorgeous marble rolling pin with wood handles and a solid wooden rest to keep it in place. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.